Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Uphold Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uphold app on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the sign up button. You will now be asked to enter your phone number to begin creating your account. Just enter your phone number after choosing your country code, and then tap on the submit button after you have agreed with the terms and conditions. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone through SMS. Just check your messages, and once you find the verification code, just enter the code and proceed forward. After verifying with the given code, you may be allowed to create a password for your account. So type in your desired password and then click on continue to begin forward. And now your account will be created and you will be taken into your homepage right away. You can now start trading using the Uphold Crypto Trading App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Uphold Crypto Trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.